Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tally bill, providing a full guide to creating accurate and professional invoices. A tally bill is essentially a commercial document that details a transaction between a buyer and a seller. It lists the products or services sold, their quantities, individual prices, and the total amount due. This document is crucial for maintaining clear financial records and ensuring transparency in every business exchange. To create a comprehensive tally bill, you must include several key elements. Start with the full names and addresses of both your business and the customer. Assign a unique invoice number and specify the date of issue, along with payment terms like due in 30 days. For each item, list its description, the quantity sold, the unit price, and the subtotal. Finally, sum up all items, add any applicable taxes, and subtract discounts to arrive at the grand total. Let's walk through creating your tally bill step by step. First, place your company's name, address, and contact information prominently at the top. Next, input the customer's details, followed by a distinct invoice number and the current date. Then, for each item, clearly state its description, the number of units, and the price per unit. Multiply quantity by unit price for each item's subtotal. Finally, sum all subtotals, add any sales tax, and subtract any discounts to get the final amount. To ensure your tally bills are always accurate and professional, follow these best practices. First, meticulously review all calculations to prevent any errors in pricing or totals. Second, use clear and consistent formatting, making the bill easy to read and understand for your customers. Third, always retain a copy, either digital or physical, for your own record keeping. Lastly, confirm that your bills comply with all relevant legal and tax regulations, ensuring smooth financial operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.